2 days ago, it was 60 degrees out. People were wearing shorts. It was almost 70 actually. It was about 68, 69 for the majority of the day. And now we have snow. This is just from 2 days. It's about a foot. We have another half a foot. We don't use that garbage can much. Point is, got a lot of snow, very short period of time after awesome summerish weather. Yeah. So there's that. Hope that you're all having a good time. Tell me in the comments, the general location that you're in and what your weather's like. I'm in upstate New York, and it's 27 degrees outside with lake effect snow.